Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Utrefon. Today I want to show you how I make egusi soup without red oil. So this is my fish, this is macro fish, my onion, my crayfish, bell pepper, this is my melon that is called egusi, and my pepper, my dry pepper, and my seasoning. So I'm gonna peel to remove the seed from the inside. I'm gonna transfer it into blender because I need to blend it. After blending, I'm gonna transfer it into my pot. So I'm gonna cook it so that the water will dry. So you're cooking it as if you're blending tomato. So you cook it until the water is dried off. So that is what I'm gonna do now. So now this is my meat, which I'm gonna steam the meat, and this is my macro, fresh macro. So I'm using fresh and dry macro. So I'm gonna add my seasoning, salt, onion. I'm gonna add chili, my red chili. So now, as you can see, that the water has dried up. So I'm gonna transfer it into this pot. So now I'll add my egusi. So I'm gonna add my stock. To mix them together. So I'm gonna add a little water. So mix it very well. So I'm gonna cover it to cook. So I'm gonna check. I'm gonna add my meat. I will add my fish, my crayfish, so I add more water. So make sure you stir it very well. So I'll add my spinach. So my soup is ready. As you can see, it's ready, very easy to prepare, and this is without oil. As you can see, it's very red, like you're putting red oil. So that is how to make egusi without oil. So if you like this video, please don't forget to hit the subscribe button, share this video with your friends and family. Thank you for watching. Love you. Bye.